Good afternoon, YouTube fam. Back for part 10, I think it is. Are you ready for the grand reveal? I've been painting today. I did say I wouldn't come back until I had some colour in the van. Probably thinking it looks like primer to me. Or grey. Wrong! It's blue! Sporty blue metallic. It's a Honda colour. I had it on a Honda Jazz that I bought to sell, and I really quite liked the colour of it. So I decided it was either that or purple. I'll just use my concealed door opener here. No, shit. And as you can see, I've done all the insides of the doors and all the reveals. That's to get replaced, that grip tape stuff, whatever it is. As you can see, it looks a bit shabby, so I should have taken it off before I painted it, but I never. So we've got some colour on. I'm quite happy with it. It's not the best of clear coat finishes, but it'll do. Must try harder for the outsides. There's a bit of peel in it, quite a bit of peel in it, but that can polish out. That's what polishers are for. So, as you can see, I've done all the reveals, all the doors, all these insides, threshold, the back door. It's looking quite sweet. Some bits are better than others, to be fair. With the finish, like, you know, maybe I need to put on more clear or less clear, I'm not sure. Put on 2 coats, that should be plenty. So here's the rest of it. Like I say, I've just done the insides. This is the other back door that I had to take off to put that panel. It's not bad, is it? For a fucking amateur. I'm quite happy with it. Same with these. Those centre sections will be getting covered anyway, so all you're really going to see is around the edges and that centre part there. That's all you'll see. That's why I never bothered painting the inside of that. It's had a coat of epoxy. There's no point in putting colour on it, especially now at 50 quid a litre. So, get both those doors done. Beautiful day up in the north. I'll get out the sun. It's not too bad. Not too bad for an amateur. And again here, I've only done the top half because this panel isn't welded in yet. And the reason for that is, no, it's not that I'm scared to weld it in, where you see it. I need to get this door stop fitted in here behind the panel before I weld the panel on, because the bolt hole's knackered after I had to drill it out. But I've done as much as I can along the runners. And then the insides up onto the... Again, I masked this bit off. And I masked the roof off because I didn't want it getting onto my black roof. Again, this door inside's done. Not the best job, far from it, but hey, I'm not a professional painter. I didn't spend 4 years on an apprenticeship learning how to spray. I just taught myself from doing motorbike bits. And it's a lot cheaper than the 5 or 6 grand I was quoted to get it done. I mean, it's alright. You know, I reckon I can polish that out for all it is, if I would even bother. So, that's the state of play. Like I say, panel's still not welded. I did mask up the bits that I'm going to be welding through. So that's the next priority. Get this panel on, get it epoxied and get some primer on it. I need to order some more primer and I need to order some more paint. To do these doors today, I have used about 1.5 litres, which is at 2:1, so that's 2 3/4 litres of paint ready mixed to do these. That was a colour. That was at least 2 coats, probably 2.5 coats to be fair. And then the clear coat, I used about 1 litre, and that's giving it 2 coats. So again, that'll be 1.5 litres by the time you add the hardener and whatnot, bit of thinners, you know. So that'll give it a couple of coats. I'm happy enough with it. Like I say, these centre bits that look really rough. Wow, look at the orange peel on that. They're getting coated. The bit in the middle looks alright. That's the only bit you'll see. In fact, you won't even see that. But the bits around the edges, they're okay. They're what I'd call passable, you know. I'm quite happy with it. So that's the update for today, part 10 in the never-ending saga of the transporter rebuild. But the beauty of it is, once I get the doors back on, get that panel welded in, I'll just be painting the outside up to the roof line, because I've already done the roof. I'll mask it off along the top there, then just paint the rest of it, like I say, once the doors are on. So, a bit of progress. Just thought I'd show you, since you were all desperate to know what colour it was going to be. Both of you were desperate. That'll do it for today. I'll catch up with you part 11, and hopefully I'll either be welding this in or have it welded in, and either be painting it or it'll be painted. Maybe the van will be finished, who knows. Anyway, thanks for following. Peace out. Bye.